Have you ever wondered how websites and apps work? Well, there are two key players behind the scenes: front-end developers and back-end developers. Let's break it down. Front-end developers are the creative minds you see in action when you open a website or app. They design the user interface, how it looks, feels, and works. Everything from colors, buttons, and layouts to animations and navigation is their job. They use languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to bring these designs to life. If you're clicking a button or scrolling through a gallery, that's front-end magic. But what happens behind the scenes when you click that button? That's where back-end developers come in. They handle the logic, databases, and servers that power everything. Think of them as the engine under the hood. Back-end developers ensure the app works smoothly by processing requests, fetching data, and delivering the right responses. Their tools include Python, Java, Node.js, and databases like MySQL or MongoDB. The magic happens when these two teams collaborate. Front-end developers focus on what you see, while back-end developers focus on how it all works. Together, they create the seamless experience you enjoy. So, whether you're designing the interface or building the engine, front-end and back-end developers are essential in bringing tech to life. Tech in a nutshell. Subscribe for more Tech Explainer videos.